There are three main things that you need to do if you want to grow your business. Number one, you need to find ways to add new customers. Number two, you need to find ways to increase your average transaction value once your customers enter your sales funnel. And number three, you need to get your existing customers to buy more frequently from you. And to accomplish this, you'll have to build three main types of funnels. Number one, a simple funnel that goes from a lead magnet to a thank you page. Number two, a profit maximizer funnel that goes from a lead magnet to a few levels of upsells and downsells, allowing you to maximize your average order value. And number three, a member funnel, a funnel that figures out the products that your logged in members have, products that they don't have yet, and it gives them an easy way to purchase the products that they don't yet have. Now, whether you want to build a webinar funnel or a product launch funnel, once you know how to build these main three funnels, everything else becomes really easy because they are all more or less an extension of these three main funnels. Now, once you build your basic funnels, you also need to make sure that you're sending right kind of traffic through your funnel. For example, if you send your cold traffic through a profit maximizer funnel, it will result in a frustrating experience for them. They don't know you yet. You don't have a relation with them. They don't trust you yet. You need to first wow your cold audience with instant content access and just amazing free content. Don't sell anything to them the moment they sign up. You need to build a relationship with them. You need to get them to know, like, and trust you. And once they are there, then you can send them through your next funnel. So there are three main categories of users that you need to build your funnel for. Number one, your cold traffic, which is your first-time visitors to the site. Number two, your warm audience, existing subscribers who have not purchased anything from you yet, but they are on your list. Number three, your super warm audience, your existing customers. Now, these users have already purchased other products from you. If you want to maximize your conversions, it's critical that you send users through the right funnel based on who they are, where they are in their journey, and what kind of relationship you have built with them. Do they know you? Do they like you? Do they trust you? Are they ready to buy from you? So factor in all of that, and based on that, send users through the right funnel to maximize your conversions. Now, when it comes to upsells and increasing your profits, there are actually 4 different types of upsell offers that you can leverage to increase your average order value. Number one, pre-purchase upsell. Number two, checkout page upsell, which is also referred to as order bump. Number three, post-checkout upsell. And number four, members area upsell. So pre-purchase upsell is something that you offer even before your users get to the checkout page. Checkout page upsell is something that you offer on the checkout page when they are ready to purchase your main product. With the tick of a checkbox, they can buy additional products. Now, post-checkout upsell is something you offer after they have purchased your main product. Instead of directly sending them to the thank you page, you can send them to your first upsell page where you can offer other related items. And members area upsell is these people have already purchased from you. They are members, they are existing customers. And now you can figure out what products they have, what products they don't have, and offer up the right products using one-click upgrades, one-click members area upsell. So you don't need a team of techs to build a marketing funnel. I am just getting started with this mini course. In the next series of lessons, I'm going to talk to you about several other topics, starting with what are the different types of upsells, from pre-purchase upsells to checkout page upsells to post-purchase upsells, and how you can set them up, how you can offer a free trial to your membership site as an order bump. And I'll also take you behind the scenes to show you how you can build each type of funnel. From a lead magnet funnel that takes users from a free offer to a thank you page, or from a free offer to other paid offers, to sales funnels with different types of upsell and downsell offers, from one upsell, one downsell, to 2 upsells, 1 downsell, to a main offer, order bump, and an upsell offer. I'll also show you how you can do one-click members area upsells, how you can use shortcodes to upsell, the power of shortcodes in upselling. I'll also give you some great members area upsell examples, cool conversion hacks that will allow you to increase your conversions. And if you don't know what to upsell, I'll also share some great upsell product ideas with you. So I hope you got some ideas from this video on how you can implement some of these simple upsell tips and tricks and increase your sales. This is the first video in the series on sales funnels and upsells. In this mini course, my goal is to show you how you can build different types of funnels, from a lead magnet funnel to a sales funnel, in very simple, easy steps. If you're a lab member, all the courses and all the trainings in the lab are free for you. So are you ready to build out high converting funnels to grow your sales? If yes, you can just purchase this mini course to learn all about sales funnels and upsells, or you can become a lab member, and this way you will have access to not just this course, but you will have access to all the courses, all the trainings, and everything that we have in the lab. So I hope to see you in the lab. My name is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching.